patient that comes in for hormone replacement therapy, we talk about their skin, because a lot of times hormones play a role in the skin, and we end up treating them for skin tightening and for body contouring and for hair removal. It all goes hand in hand.
Hi, I'm Danny McNair. I'm 36 years old. Been in the fitness industry and being very conscious and aware of how I want to look. So I recently tried the IPL, and within 2 treatments, I've seen immaculate results. Not breaking out, no redness, no irritation. It's helping really smooth my skin out.
So I came in and had a couple different treatments done with the Viora machines. I see the difference in the mirror. It's been about 4 treatments. But the biggest thing I'm noticing is other people that know me well enough to comment are commenting on it, and they're asking me what I did and how I did it. And I was probably a little bit skeptical, but I'm not anymore, and I couldn't be happier with the results.
You have just established this new relationship with Viora. How has it been partnering with them?
Well, so far it's been really, really great. They've been super responsive. I love the program. They seem to really have a good idea of what we in private practice would need.
My name is Christina Simpson, and I'm a physician assistant at HealthSmart MD, and I work with Dr. Steven Silver. We are so happy to have introduced Viora's reaction machine and V30 into our practice earlier this year. The reaction has been such a great tool to give our patients, our weight management patients, visible results along the way with their unique combination of heat and suction to help diminish fat cells.
Hi, my name is Tracy, and I'm the owner of Youthopia Med Spa. One of the reasons I offer Viora in my spa is because of the proven results. Viora has an excellent reputation. I've actually tried it myself. I'm a big believer in knowing that it works from experience, and therefore when I sell it to my clients or when I offer it to my clients, I can speak from experience on how well it works. We've had excellent results, and my clients that tried the Viora have actually started with a certain area, perhaps their thighs or their abdomen, and they're always coming back to add more areas.
My name is Steven Silver, MD. I'm the owner and medical director of HealthSmart MD here in Boca Raton, Florida. Viora, hands down, offered the newest, latest technology, pain-free treatment applications, and they have risen to a level far above my expectations, to the point where I will unconditionally recommend their machines to any and all providers.
Yes, we're using Viora currently at Tampa Rejuvenation for help with tightening skin and rebuilding collagen of skin. And I think this is very important.
I'm Dr. Daniel Min, board certified plastic surgeon, over 30 years in Boca Raton, Florida. I have a pleasure working with Viora. Viora actually saved us several times in various conditions.
So I'm very, very happy that Viora came along, very happy that I now have the IPL and the RF therapy available to me.
My name is David B. Vasily, MD. I am a cosmetic dermatologist practicing in this space for the last 30 years. The Viora V-Touch is a unique fractional RF device that incorporates some very brilliant engineering known as SVC engineering into the device. I would highly recommend the Viora V-Touch to those cosmetic physicians looking for a device that will deliver reliable, optimal results every single time for both ablative and thermal effects.
So right now we're doing the V-Form technology on Vivian here, and what we're doing is targeting her enlarged fat cells. A lot of us know that as cellulite. She's very unhappy about that, and so we're going to be working with this technology to break down that cellulite and give her back that smooth, pretty skin that she's remembering from when she was younger. So this treatment is very comfortable. You can see it's like using a vacuum. It's just a warming sensation that she feels, gently sucking up the tissue and releasing. We're just gliding softly over her skin, and she's not having any pain. Is that right, Vivian?
No pain.
No pain, that's great.
I am Kara Moncrief. I'm the clinical director for Viora, and we do cosmetic lasers. And we can do pretty much from head to toe when it comes to cosmetics. So think cellulite, contouring, leg veins, hyperpigmentation, skin tightening, all the way down to labia tightening as well.
Yeah. Can be tricky, and today Kara Moncrief is back from Viora Med. She joins us with why they may have the options you are looking for. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
So we're diving into another piece of technology this morning, which I'm fascinated by. This one, it's called IPL, correct?
Yes.
And what I'm fascinated by is that it kind of knows, it does a variety of different things. One machine,
It does.
Мы находимся с вами в прекрасной Анталии на берегу Средиземного моря. Сейчас сентябрь 2017 года, и мы проводим с вами форум, 4-й уже, между прочим, Viora Beauty Boss. Нам распахнул двери прекрасный Макс Рояль.
Если смотреть на бренд Viora, это абсолютно классический вариант, когда мы даем обучение не по машинам, а именно самой индустрии, что поможет нашим клиентам расти в бизнесе и расти с нами в будущем.
I will go anywhere for you.